And roll! Welcome to the new Caveman Show. Today, I'm going to unbox the iPhone 12 mini in green and blue and compare them side by side so that you know which one to buy. First up, let's unbox the iPhone 12 mini in green. Ta-da! The iPhone 12 mini in green. Now let's pick this up and look at the green closer in detail. As you can see, the green is a kind of minty and pastel looking kind of green, akin to the color of the Tiffany boxes, which are the illusion of marriages. Looking at the sides are of this matte color aluminum, which is beautiful in my opinion. Tearing off the sticker film, just so you can see, the phone feels very light and balanced in my hand. It feels so good holding such a light phone. And there's nothing much to see here because we are now missing the charging brick and the earpods. Let's look at the included papers. We have a SIM card ejector pin, some paperwork, and of course the sticker. Is the included USB-C to Lightning cable, so remember to get a charging brick that comes with USB-C connection. Alright, enough with the boxes, let's look at the phone in detail. This phone feels so comfortable in my hand. It feels like you have a tight grip of the phone. It feels so light and comfortable. It feels so safe in my hand. Let's power it on. So the sides of the iPhone 12 mini are matte, while the back is glossy. But the good thing about this pale green color is that your fingerprints do not show up that well on the glossy back as compared to the darker colors. All in all, I think that ladies should just pick up this iPhone 12 mini in green because it is so pretty. Now let's move on to the iPhone 12 mini in blue. Ta-da! The iPhone 12 mini in blue. So likewise, it feels very good in my hands, even in my left hand. So same thing here, just paperwork and stickers and the USB-C to lightning cable, and that's it. Now let's look at the blue phone in detail. Peeling off the paper film that protects the screen. Let's power it on while waiting. Well, hello, you're so light. You're so safe in my big hand. So now let's look at the iPhone 12 mini blue versus the iPhone 12 mini green. So which one should you buy? First up, let's look at the back. Not sure if you can see, the fingerprints are showing more on the blue one and you can't really see on the green one. Let's turn to the side. The side of the blue is pretty dark. I do like the matte blue size of the blue, while the green is equally pretty. So let's also pick up the iPhone 12 mini and see how it works in our hand. Isn't the color pretty? I really think this suits ladies. Okay, let's try some surfing on the iPhone 12 mini. I think many would worry that they won't get used to the smaller screen size, but from what I can see, it feels very good. I don't feel shortchanged at all while surfing on the web. Let's try a little typing. The typing actually feels a little more difficult than expected because I'm probably used to larger screens now. Even though my thumb can reach all areas of the phone, I'm feeling a little worried because the phone is so small. I'm just a little worried that I may drop it. So what do you think? Would you be getting the iPhone 12 mini in green or in blue? The blue is the more boyish color, I would say. I wouldn't use the word masculine because the Pacific blue will fit that description. This would probably be a little on the fun side of blue. So now let's put them side by side. What do you think? I think for guys, just pick the blue. I mean, you have been using the white or black models for years, so just take blue for a change. And as for ladies, the green is the prettiest color of iPhone 12. If you want to be classy, pick the gold of the Pro series, but the green is the prettiest one you can get. So that's all for our unboxing and comparison today. I hope you find my video useful. Please help me out by liking, commenting, or even better by subscribing. I'll be most grateful to you. So I hope you find the iPhones of your choice. That's all. Stay safe. Good day. Bye bye.